Hey Glencoe Stars, Coach Hernandez here again with another catch lesson. And today's catch lesson is going to be review for you guys because you guys have been hearing this stuff since you guys were in kindergarten. But today we're going to be talking about the difference between go, slow, and whoa foods. And we're going to go into a little bit more depth on each food category. So I'm going to go ahead and start with go foods. The ones that you're most familiar with because we spend a lot of time talking about healthy choices that you can make every single day. Now, go foods. Go foods are low in salts, low in fats, and low in sugars. These are foods that you can eat every single day as many times as you'd like a day. Now, from last week's video with Coach Guevara, you know that we need to eat more vegetables than we do fruits, but you can still eat fruits at every single meal. Now let's talk about what kind of foods are go foods. We know the fruits and we know the vegetables, but there's also proteins like your meats, your beefs, your chickens, your fish, all right? And there's also different things like nuts, beans. Those things also give you protein. Those are all good go foods. The next food category that we're going to talk about is slow foods. Slow foods are going to be higher in fats, higher in sugars, and higher in salts than your go foods would be. You don't want to eat slow foods every single day. You want to eat them sometimes. Slow foods has 2% milk, breads, pastas, tortilla chips. That stuff is all categorized as slow foods. Also, some of your fruits and vegetables can also become slow foods if you add to them. So for example, when you guys have sliced apples or sliced oranges and you like to put that chili powder on there, the tahini powder, it then becomes a slow food. When you have your cups of corn or your parents are frying or grilling some vegetables and they put oil in the pan, then your vegetables become slow vegetables. So you need to make sure that you're being careful with how you prepare your go foods. The next category we're going to talk about is whoa foods. This is the one that we all know that we can only eat on special occasions. Whoa foods are going to have way more fats, way more sugars, and way more salts than either go or slow foods. These are the foods that are going to taste the best. They're going to taste really, really good. But you can't eat them every day because if you eat them every day, then that's going to make your body really unhealthy. It's going to slow down the way your body works. The foods that are in the whoa category are cakes, cupcakes, candies, fast food, chips, and sodas. Those are all foods that taste really, really good. And I know, I love them too, but you can't eat them every single day. So for example, if I did a really good job at school today and my mom wants to go take me to McDonald's so I can get a Happy Meal, that's okay, that's fine. Because it's a special occasion. I did really, really good today at school. But if I go again to McDonald's tomorrow and I get another Happy Meal, then that's not good for us. Then it's just becoming every day. So you really, really need to be careful about making smart choices with your foods. Remember, you want to have go foods more than you do slow foods, and you want to eat more slow foods than you would whoa foods. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and post a picture of what go, slow, and whoa foods are so that you guys can look a little bit more. Your coach is going to talk to you a little bit more about them after the video. Okay, and if you have questions, make sure you ask them. So this is the end of the catch video for today. I'll see you guys next time.